My name is Mayank Sehgal. I'm a banker in Karnataka Bank and I'm from Udaipur. I've been a banker for 3.5 years now, and I've been with this company only since my start, and I'm happy with my company actually. I would say my hard time was when I was preparing for my banking exams, as I was rejected by at least 9 banks, and then I got my this current job. So that time you have to get a very focus. You don't have to get disheartened. That is the major issue when you're preparing for exams, because whenever the results come, you get disheartened that you are not selected, and you think that there is no point of giving any more exams. But you have to pick up yourself. You have to start from scratch. You have to understand what went wrong, what could you have done better. So that was my hard time, and I just overcome it by learning from my mistakes. I did my mistakes. I did my fair share of mistakes, but I learned from it, and I gave exams and exams and exams, and then I got selected in my bank in which currently I am working. So that is the thing that I think was my hard time, that 3 to 4 years where I have really had have to pull up myself for such exams. Well, in my life, everything inspires me. I think I cannot choose a single moment or a time, uh, because every aspect of life or every person in their respective fields teaches a lot. For example, if I have to choose as science and tech, I like to read it about it. So I would say the Nikola Tesla, the scientist, inspires me a lot because his life was also a very hardship. He does not had many patents, but he was a visionary. He gave us the breakthrough technology, that is Wi-Fi and everything we are seeing. And about the quote, if I say, it won't be a quote, but it would be a monologue by the Carl Sagan. And the monologue was about the pale blue dot. What the summarized point of view of what that was, that this universe is very very vast, and we are just a insignificant number of times. So no matter how much mistakes you make, it doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. You just move forward. You learn from your mistakes, and that's it. Don't The main thing is, don't take yourself so seriously and don't dishearten yourself. So that would be the quote. That is not the quote actually. That is a monologue that I really like and I really listen when I'm in a very hard time. So yes, that things are inspire me. But in general, if I'll say that for example, in my field, if I'll say I am very much inspired by my own bank's MD, that how he handled a bank that was on the verge of merger. But now you see it is being a premier bank in the commercial sector and as well as in the retail sector. So I really like him a lot as my MD, our recent MD. So that would be the thing. My only advice would be that learn before you act. See, what happens is that in a banking industry, you are all the time you are around the money, but remember that this is not your money, this is a public money, and then you hold a responsibility towards it. Any a single penny, if you lose, it's not yours, it will be the public. So learn whatever you are doing first of all, because banking industry is not an easy task to understand, because there are lots and lots of softwares, lots and lots of education calculations. You have to understand the pinpoint things of the things. For example, if you are giving a loan or housing loan or even a MSME loan to someone, how strong their balance sheets are. Learn first of all to assess people. The most important thing in banking industry is to first of all assess your customer. Is he a credit worthy or a business worthy? Because there's a saying in banking industry that if you get the money, it is not your money, but if you lose the money, it is your money. Formally, I am associated with my own Karnataka Bank Employee Association unions. I'm also associated with the UFBU, United Forum of Banking Unions. They generally do the work for the welfare of bankers, and as well as assess the profitability and the balance sheets of all the banks, and see how healthy a bank is. So yes, I am the part of these formal organizations, and these are the affiliated by the government of India. Uh, for a banking, you really should have one, that is, I won't say that is a technical skill, but it is more of an environmental skill. The first of all, the thing is that you have to be honest. Now we are hearing lots and lots of news in the bank, in the banking industry, that one or the other officer took 3 lakhs or 4 lakhs or did the fraud in the banking industry. This The first thing is that honesty. You be honest with your work. That is the foremost skill that you require. The first skill. Even when you get selected in interview, they do not assess that how much technical sound you are with the banking industry. For they assess, can they depend on you? Are you an honest? The first thing is that. The other thing is that that when you are in a bank, you probably even has some hint of, you should have some hint of knowledge of how, what is the balance sheet, what is an ITR. These are the small things that you need to understand. Otherwise, yes, these are the skills. But of course, as now the all banks are running on the CBS, that is core banking solutions. So yes, you must have some sort of knowledge of computers, how they work. But generally, yes, as you have to understand what the balance sheet is. Even if you are from a science background, like I'm from the science background. But slowly and slowly, as I said previously, that you learn first. So you start learning when you enter into a bank, that what are the balance sheets, how do we assess it, what is the profit and loss statement. So that these are the kind of skill that if you have, then you'll have an advantage against the others in this respective field. Actually, first love of mine is banking only. But if I get a chance, I think I'll study a bit harder. I'll give exams with more diligence, and actually I like my bank. But if I'll get a chance, I would like to choose SBI or even a railway, because I'm a huge fan of railway. The mistakes, I would say, there's no, as such, I won't change anything. What mistakes I did, and I learned from them. So as such, I won't change, but I did. It's just that I'll be more diligent. I will work more harder for my bank. My bank has taught me various things. It has mentored me for what I am today. So that will be all. Just bits and pieces here. Nothing major I'll change in my life, because I think my bank and my life, or my professional life, is on the right track. I grew up in Udaipur only, and there are lots and lots of memories. But if I have to select something special, then I'll select when my parents first bought the house. I think the look on their faces was phenomenal, and I really liked that feeling. For me too, because for the first time in our city, we had our own home, where we can talk freely, we can do whatever we want. There was no pressure from the landlord, or don't do this and don't do that. I really liked decorating my room. I was what, 14 to 15 years old. But that is the memory that I really cherish when I am alone. One thing that is very important in banking industry is experience. Education, you may be a science graduate or commerce graduate or even an art graduate. It doesn't matter. What matters is your experience, because see, the bank is a very unpredictable place. You don't know the next employer, the next customer that will come, how he will react to your questions, or how he'll react, or how you will react. So it is a very unpredictable place, and you have to learn from your experiences. Sometimes experiences are bad, sometimes they are very good. You just learn from your experiences. That is all. The banking is all about the experience. Even the DGM and the AGMs, they still say that they are learning, because banking is a vast field. Every year, every month, something or some place, it gets changed. So yes, it is all about experience. Education, it doesn't matter so much, but yes, experience, it helps you a lot. It really helps you a lot. I really like I really like reading books, and that were non-fictions. I really love learning about the new science and tech. That is, I think, I really enjoy a lot. Um, I'm just recently got married, so I really love spending time with my wife. So these are the fun things that I do. That is all.